Hi, guys, and welcome to your readings for the month of July. Stay tuned to the end for a special message I got while sitting at the oceans and the beauty of the ocean this morning with the sun glistening on its radiancy was beautiful. So, enjoy the month of July. And for today, I'll be using two packs of cards, the Angel Answers cards by Doreen Virtue and the Healing Messages from Your Angels cards, also by Doreen Virtue. I think you can see both the pack covers at the back. There we go. So we'll be combining those, and let's get started with the 12 signs for the month of July. Hi, guys. I just want to add that this morning we had the outdoor message of your ships coming in, receptivity, and the flow of energy inward, of receiving your manifestations. And now, this afternoon and evening, when I've done the readings, 5 or 6 or 7 of the star signs out of 12 had the "You're Ready" card. That is amazing validation, guys. You're ready to receive. You're ready to receive your manifestations, your goals, your intentions, wishes, desires. Your ships are coming in. So remember to set the intention this month to receive. You are ready. Hello, Scorpio, and welcome to your reading for the month of July. Like we said, July is a 7 numerological month, so it's lucky. Let's see what the cards have in store for you. Okay, you have intention right off the bat, Scorpio. So remembering to set the intention for what you wish the outcome to be for your month. Remember to surrender and release, let go, and have equanimity with regards to all that you wish to achieve. Things can go both ways. There's many factors, and sometimes they're out of our control. Sometimes there's internal factors at play, sometimes external factors. So remembering to let go and let the universe, let go and let the universe, let go and let God, let go and let your manifestations come true. You've literally got the manifestation process. You've got, let me pick the last one here for you. Oh, okay, enchantment. I picked up a fourth card because it was sticking out, although I picked up 3 for everyone else. But you've literally got the manifestation process, guys. Set an intention, let go of the outcome, and then help your manifestation become a reality by taking action to achieve it. Setting intention, letting go, and taking action will help you achieve your manifestations. The last card you got here was enchantment. You have beautiful cards of manifesting and then it leading to enchantment. Yeah, beautiful. Enchantment is a whole lot of magical energy, a whole lot of beautiful outcomes in store for you. And Scorpio, you're one of the signs that manifest really quite well. You're an intuitive sign. You're also a water sign, and the outdoor message today was message from the oceans, from water. So do make sure to stay tuned for that. And then we're going to pick 3 cards for you from the other pack. So let's go ahead and choose those. Okay, wait. Okay, so there's something that you need to wait for. Some of the manifestations you wanted might be on pause or delay, but it's just a wait sign. It's not a no. So give yourself some space on that one. Peaceful resolution. So you might have had some conflict, and this month is about resolving it peacefully. Maybe in the past you've had a conflict, resolution in terms of resolving a particular aspect, but this month it's going to come up to be resolved peacefully. So make sure you do that, or else you're going to have a repetitive loop, right, of a pattern until you resolve or learn to resolve peacefully your emotions, and it'll happen within the next few weeks. But I'm not only seeing peaceful resolution that's required over the next few weeks, but also you will be manifesting your dreams over the next few weeks. And remember to comment down below with what those are. What is it that you'll be wanting to achieve? Remembering to set the intention that getting your manifestations this month, which will be coming true in the next few weeks, but also remembering to have peaceful resolution on those that you have not had peaceful ones, and wait on some of your manifestations. Not everything, Rome wasn't built in a day. So, Scorpio, as much as you'd like to rev forward, just now we had the traffic revving, but as much as you'd like to rev forward, remember to take a step back and wait on some of them. So, Scorpio, that was your reading for the month of July. I hope you have a wonderful month of July. Stay tuned for the outdoor message, and we will see you next time. Bye. Hi, guys, and welcome outside again, sharing the magical energy of the solstice that began about a week ago, and still back outside enjoying the magical energy of the ocean this time. I'm going to share that with you soon, but running into July, this energy only serves to build momentum. So I really hope you enjoy the energy of July, and let's see if I can change the focus here to show you the water. There we go. And you can see the ocean is really looking lovely today, sparkly and beautiful. And you can even see the ship coming out, or going out. This time, this reminds me of another movie, The Goonies, actually. You know that scene where the pirate ship sails out? A really amazing, enchanting 80s movie, actually, that I've been watching recently. So I think the energy, whenever we're doing a reading, the energy, everything signifies something. And the ship going out, I actually feel it's a little bit of your ships. It's right next to the port, actually. If you see, there's the port wall right there. So I feel like, and you can see there's another little buoy or little boat thing out there. I feel it's time that your ships are coming in. That's the message I'm getting. It's ships coming in. It's time for things to start soaring, or things that to start launching, that you're beginning, and that energy we spoke about that had begun at the solstice will just serve to add momentum to it and help it to soar. So whatever you have been planning, remember to go ahead and trust your instincts and put into action. Take those milestones and steps and just enjoy the energy, guys. I mean, look at this water. The other aspect of doing this outside is that the magnanimity of the ocean and the water's energy and flow and rhythmic connection to the earth as well. It supports it. And the sun's energy just radiating, just adding to its radiance and vibrancy and beauty. It just serves to remind you to remember your own vibrancy and radiance. Let's see if I can turn the video back. Awesome, guys. So here's another ship coming into the port. Just like we said, your ships are coming in. Alright, guys, so remember your own vibrancy and radiance and beauty, both inner and out, as you go through the month of July. Remember to use the element of water to help you flow with the magnanimity of your emotions when creating your dream. Whenever we create in your dream, sometimes it influences our emotions, but remembering how awesome and great you are, just like the magnanimity of nature, and not just the element of water, but the element of the sun, element of the air, and the element of the earth,
Remember to be and stay grounded. And just remember to connect with nature, guys, and enjoy the energy. It's really so beautiful out here, and I just wanted to share a bit of this with you as usual in our readings. And I hope that you enjoyed today's reading. So enjoy the energy of July, guys. Enjoy the 7th month of the year. 7 is always lucky. And remember to take some time out for some self-love, self-care, and just some time out to connect with yourself in nature or wherever you feel comfortable. Okay, guys, enjoy the energy of July. Have fun. Take care. Bye.